वसुदेवस्य देवक्या जातो भोजेन्द्र बंधने चिकेषु भगवानस्यः शम अजेनाभियाचितः. The personality God Lord Shri Krishna, being prayed to by Brahma to bring welfare to the earth, was begotten by Vasudeva in the womb of his wife Devaki in the prison of king of Bhoja. So Uddhava is talking about the life of Lord Krishna. Why? We get very bored because we have no interest, because we have no love for Krishna. Because Uddhava has love for Krishna. Therefore, with great pleasure, the whole life of Krishna is repeating. And Prabhupada says he is avoiding to talk about the disappearance. Okay? This is first point. When heart is purified, we lose interest in the material world and so-called stories of so many fools. And we develop love for hearing about Krishna. This is the proof of spiritual advancement. Shama evi kevalam dharma sanushtita pumsa vikshakshena kathashrayaha na utpadidiradirtim shama evi kevalam. In fact, even this is higher. The basic effect, first effect of dharma that is visible in a person is that four things manifest within him. What are the four things? Daya, Ruchi, Satya, Shaucha. Correct? अब भाई कोई बोल रहा है मैं धर्म कर रहा हूँ, ये चार चीज़ तो पहले दिखना चाहिए. भाई बहुत अच्छा साधना कर रहा है कि चार चीज़ तो दिखना चाहिए उसमें. क्या चार चीज़ दिखना चाहिए? Irrespective of whichever religion you follow, these four things should be visible. Satya, you should be very truthful. You should be very clean, Shaucha. You should be very merciful, Daya. And you should be very austere. Every day morning you get up, you should be able to make your schedule and execute the schedule. And we cannot do that, therefore we need sadhana. Sadhana is needed to give strength of mind. Kalyuga, a typical Kalyuga man means he makes plan now and 5 minutes later he cannot follow it. That's a Kalyuga typical man. Correct? यहाँ भी बड़े बड़े प्लान बनते हैं. कल मंगल आरती आऊँगा, फिर मैं राजभोग बनाऊँगा. 5 मिनट में फॉलो नहीं कर सकता आदमी. Correct? Because Kalyuga, that's Kalyuga man. He can only make plans, can't do anything. Plan भी बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है. So what we should have generally, to get strength to follow the plan, we need sadhana. On its own, it's not possible. What do you say? Anna? So tapa means austerity. I am very organized. The life is so nice, imagine. Every minute you're organized. You know, this 15 minutes I have to do this. Prabhupada jab massage lete the, that is the time one person used to come for 5-10 minutes and tell him the news of the world. Over it is. Get out now. That whole chapter is over. Next, some person used to come, start reading the letters, and Prabhupada used to dictate the answers. Can you imagine how busy he was? But how organized he was? Never frantic, never passionate, very peaceful. Huh? Tell me, what is that? The devotees are coming to meet. He had all the time in the world, but everything was happening very systematically. Like a number of letters he wrote. हम उतने चिट्ठी लिख नहीं सकते. He wrote some thousands of letters. How many letters you have written in your life? Nothing, maybe not. Nowadays we don't even know how to write a letter. Prabhupada was writing, and the devotees are typing. In fact, they say that a physical letter, even now, is much more powerful than. I remember when I had joined ISKCON. Not joined. I was working in Infosys, and at that time, one of the colleague who was with me in the college practicing Krishna consciousness, he was a little elder to me, and he wrote to me a long letter explaining how serious it is to practice Krishna consciousness and how I should continue. It was so encouraging, the letter. Even though I know him, even though I know the overall philosophy, he just wrote down by his own hand. Brahad Narada Puran says, Hare Nam, this is very authorized, please don't give it up. It was so nice. What do you say? It was very touching, very pleasing. So, this Prabhupada is to spend time in all angles in a very organized way. And most shocking and surprising thing is, Prabhupada ji ne phone use nahi kiya kabe. He threw this aside. Even जब वैसा version था, phone call का version. Disturbance. Now today, okay, utility is the principle, but that we are absorbed there. Because he had something to do. उनको को इस दुनिया में कुछ करना था. हम लोग तो जैसे कुत्ते बिल्ली की तरह मर भी गया पता भी नहीं चलता. कोई सिटी में कोई अनाउंसमेंट होता है क्या, ये कुत्ता आज मरा, किसको इंटरेस्ट है, मर गया. हम लोग ही मरेंगे ना, ऐसा ही रहेगा. कुछ नहीं किया हम लोगों ने. भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर पूरा चैतन्य महाप्रभु का मूवमेंट अकेले बचा दिया, अकेले. Prabhupada said he did it. Rupa Goswami, he did it. Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale, उन्होंने भी कर दिया कुछ. भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर ने भी कर दिया कुछ. हम तो जैसे कुत्ते बिल्ली की तरह मरेंगे. कुछ नहीं किया. जिंदगी में खाए पिए सो गए, मर गए. कुछ नहीं. Nothing done. No, the zeal, the fire to do something for Lord Chaitanya mission. कुछ करना है. And what is Lord Chaitanya mission? Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Padayate. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wants to distribute Krishna Prema in this world. To become a soldier, to become an instrument in that. That is the highest, responsibility. So here we have the life of Vidura and Uddhava going on. And Vidura is asking Uddhava, both are great devotees, tell me something about Krishna. And what happened about pastime of disappearance. Uddhava cannot talk about disappearance. Just like कोई माँ बच्चे के मरने की बात नहीं कर सकती. She will not be able to talk. It is too painful for her to even browse over that issue. वो file खोलना ही नहीं चाहते. If they open that file, they will be filled with so much pain because they really love. That's why whole Krishna book disappearance is not there. Prabhupada did not talk about. Isn't it? चैतन्य चरितामृता पूरी किताब में चैतन्य महाप्रभु का डिसअपियरेंस तक नहीं है. लीला है ही नहीं वो. बाकी लोग उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते. बहुत उनको पेनफुल होता है. अरे चैतन्य चरितामृता लिखी, कितना कुछ लिखा, अंतलीला लिखी, लिखो ना. नहीं लिख सकते. इट्स वेरी पेनफुल. Somebody asked Prabhupada, how did Lord Rama disappear? Prabhupada, मूर्ख. भक्त लोग भगवान के डिसअपियरेंस की बात नहीं करते. जो भक्त लोग होते हैं, हम तो वही बात करते हैं. Devotees don't talk about that. You understand? The developed love, it is not bearable for them to talk about. But that's a long way to go. So first stage I said that when you practice Krishna consciousness, शुरू में 4 चीज visible होनी चाहिए. क्या 4 चीज? You should become very truthful. You should become very clean. You should become very austere. And we should become very merciful. Because of mercy only we preach. So these four principles should become part of the personality. It's very merciful. How do you know your chanting is effective? These 4 should be visible. Are very nature now very clean. Chanting is giving some effect. What is the second thing? Very austere. You say you study for 4 hours, okay, no problem. 10 hours, no problem. You can study. Not that in between I need a break, दो movie देख लो. I was asking students in medical college, कैसे चल सर पढ़ाई चल रहा है सर, जोर का चल रहा है. मूवी देखते सर बीच में क्या करते हैं, 10 घंटे कौन पढ़ेगा. 2 घंटा पढ़ते हैं, फिर एक मूवी देखते हैं, फिर 2 घंटा पढ़ते हैं, फिर एक मूवी देखते हैं. ऐसा हाल. Because no austerity. We know I should not do it, I still I do. क्या तपा है आप में? तपा मीन्स इंद्रिय भोग को इग्नोर करो. तप नहीं है तो मतलब हरे कृष्ण मंत्र आपके दिल में घुस ही नहीं रहा. आप भी ध्यान से जब भी नहीं कर रहे ना, तो मंत्र अंदर दिल में घुस रहा है. If it enters, what it should do? First level, it will wash. It will do washing. And what is the result of washing? This four things should happen. We should become very truthful. We should become very austere. We should become very clean. And we should become very merciful. Okay? These four qualities manifest. And even more, it then revives the soul. And the real eagerness of the soul is, it loves Krishna. And how do you say I develop love for Krishna? सही बोलेंगे भगवान से प्रेम हो गया मेरे को. कैसे मालूम प्रेम हुआ है नहीं हुआ है? How do we know? भगवान के बारे में सुनने की इच्छा बन गई है. Therefore we know he has developed love for God. सब लोग डिक्लेयर कर देगा ऐसे तो आकाशवाणी, भविष्यवाणी या वाणी ये वाणी कह रहे हाँ मैं कृष्ण का भक्त हूँ. भक्त मतलब कृष्ण को प्रेम करता है, उसको भक्त बोलते हैं. भक्ति मतलब लव. What is the symptom of love? First symptom of love is eagerness to hear about Krishna. Very eager to hear about Krishna. Correct? ये नहीं eager to read newspaper, ये नहीं eager to watch movies, ये नहीं eager to play game. He is not developed love for Krishna. अभी पाखंड चल रहा है, hypocrisy चल रहा है. Not love. When love is developed, any 5 minutes he gets, he wants to read. He develops a taste. These books are no longer words. It's a nectar for him. So he keeps wants to drink because finally we want happiness. And when we develop relationship with Krishna, in that interaction there is so much sweet happiness. That's all I want. समझ गए? हमको वही तो चाहिए, खुशी चाहिए. हमको क्या चाहिए? जब उधर खुशी नहीं लग रहा है, what is the proof that somebody instead of reading this is wasting his time? Actually he has not developed love for Krishna. अभी नहीं आया, अभी टाइम है. भजन अपक्वा कषाया कुयोगी. नारद मुनि बोलते हैं ना, कौन कृष्ण बोलते हैं, नारद मुनि आई गेव यू दर्शन बट नाउ यू कैन नॉट सी मी बिकॉज यू आर कुयोगी, यू आर अपक्वा, यू आर कषाया. 3 रीजन दिए. अभी आप हमारे दर्शन नहीं ले पा रहे. तो सिमिलरली अगर हमको आध्यात्मिक सुख का अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिलिश आध्यात्मिक सुख, आई मीन देयर आर 3 रीजंस. या कुयोगी, अभी योगी नहीं है, क्या है? कुयोगी. अपक्वा, अभी कच्चा है. एंड देन कषाय, अभी आपका जो भक्ति है बहुत कड़वा है. जैसे कभी कड़वा खाते ना, एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं बिकॉज डॉक्टर बोल रहा है, बट द सेम वे यू ऑफर, Prabhupada says my disciple please accept. So Krishna said okay I'll take, but it's very kadwa. Our devotion is very kadwa, not very pleasing to Krishna. It is full of so much material attachment, material desires, and totally lacks any love for the Lord. Love for Lord is the desire. What is the symptom of love? Correct? There is a desire to please the Lord. That's called love. The great desire. The Lord Radha Krishna is standing here. Are they happy? Is Prabhupada sitting here? Is he happy? Correct? Prabhupada, I think you will be pleased. I read your book today for 2 hours. I hope you will be pleased. Definitely. Prabhupada used to be so happy. Whenever Prabhupada used to enter a room and he sees somebody is reading his book, Prabhupada used to smile with great happiness. So nice, you're reading. Because that's a proof the person is advancing his spiritual life, is developing eagerness. In the beginning we may not have taste, but you keep reading, gradually taste will come. Just like we are used to hearing all this nonsense musics. When you hear bhajanas for some time, given by acharyas, in the beginning there is no taste, but gradually taste develops. So similarly, when you read these books given by Srila Prabhupada, I tell you honestly, truthfully, beginning there is no taste. But as you start reading, the taste develops. Like in the beginning we read in a way of concepts. हाँ concept मालूम है, वो भी नहीं है, इतना नहीं है. Because Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bhagavad Gita and Nectar Devotion, the books Prabhupada has given, to know all the things alive in your heart, even intellectually, that's a challenge. The second thing is that to feel this as not only an intellectual exercise, it's a love of Krishna. Okay? Just like Uddhava, when he was asked by Vidura, can you tell me about Krishna? Uddhava went to trance for some time. All ecstasies manifest in his body. So he is not narrating just like concepts. He is narrating on a higher plane. He has intense developed love for the Lord. And not only that, the Lord ordered him, go to meet this, go here, go there. Whatever Krishna said, it does. He is following the orders also. It's on the highest level of connection to Krishna. Okay, so very nicely it is explained. So the question was asked when Uddhava is now start narrating the whole pastime of Krishna out of love. With great pleasure is narrating. My child, he does that. How much the parents do? We have that Krishna Vesha competition. One mother bugged me 5 times just to wanted to have that once 50-second video of the child. So you recorded, I know, can you get it? I searched. I said, I can't do it. I deleted the whole thing. No, can you get 10 times, she said. So much fussy about that. Because she loves the child. Okay? The same way, when you develop love for God, we become very eager to hear about Lord. That day you will come to know we are developing love for the Lord. How do you know developing love for the Lord? We have developed eagerness to hear about Him. Dharma sanusita pumsaha vikshakshena kathashuyaha natpadi ratiyatim shami vikevla. It's not that Vidura is saying, Uddhava is talking about Krishna and Vidura is checking his, what is the latest Facebook? बहुत अच्छा photo डाला था, कितना like आया, है ना? Or I put a post, I forwarded a post. Vidura is not doing that. He is hearing with great pleasure. In fact, later Maitreya will speak to him and Vidura keeps hearing and he hears, still he is fully satisfied. His heart is full with nectar. He says, thank you very much. It's not only concept, it's a love of Krishna being loaded in your heart. समझ आए what it means? A love of Krishna being loaded. So we should have the maturity to be able to get it. This is very nicely explained therefore. And the second shloka talks about something more interesting. What does it say? Yeah, that's very interesting. He says that father of Krishna, Vasudeva, was scared of Kamsa. Now, is Krishna scared of Kamsa? No way. Bhi apiyat vibheti. Even fear personified is scared of Krishna. How can Kamsa scare Krishna? By blinking his eyes, he can destroy the whole universe. What he is scared of? Small entity called Kamsa. But then Vasudeva, out of his Vatsala Bhava, induced by Yogamaya, was very protective about Krishna. When Krishna appeared, Vasudeva Devaki actually offered prayers to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, aware that Supreme Personality of Godhead. But then Yogamaya has to arrange Krishna's pastime. So it induced in Vasudeva a great protection attitude, like a father has an attitude to protect the child. And then after that, what happens? He said, no, I have to take you to, please come to the small form. If they say you in this Narayana form, Kamsa will definitely attack you. He wants to kill Vishnu. Vishnu cannot be killed. But somehow induced by Yogamaya. Just like Mahamaya is there is Yogamaya. It dilutes. Both dilute. One dilutes to sweeten the Lord's pastime. One dilutes for us to go to illusion. Correct? Mahamaya, Yogamaya. Only those people who are in Yogamaya can actually sweeten the Lord's pastime. We're discussing this fine. Those who are in even a touch of Mahamaya, they try to disturb the Lord's pastime. Therefore, they are here in the middle world. They are not fit to go to the spiritual world. Still, they want some illusion. Stay here. This is a place for you. So, Vasudeva, induced by Yogamaya, which sweetens the Lord's pastime, said, I want to protect you. And now Krishna, who is his protector? He doesn't need anybody's protection. Atma Rama is fully satisfied. Swarat, he is independent. He doesn't need any protection. He is himself the creator, maintainer of unlimited universes. What protection he needs? But still, he wants to reciprocate the loving affection of Vasudeva. He said, okay, yes, I will want to come under your protection. Prabhupada said this is Krishna's relish. He relishes when the devotees want to protect him. He relishes that bhava. Like Mother Yashoda says, you eat, otherwise you will die. Krishna relishes the love of his mother. You understand? As such, Krishna doesn't need protection. But Mother Yashoda feels if Krishna doesn't eat, he will die. You eat, otherwise you will die. He more nourishes that love of Mother Yashoda and he accepts it. Same way Vasudeva also wants to protect Krishna. Krishna accepted. In fact, out of the mood for a desire to protect Krishna, Vasudeva decided to break his promise. He promised to Kamsa that he'll produce the eighth child. Actually, the more focus was his promise on the eighth child. He said, every child I'll present to you, and Bhavishwani was the eighth child. This child, definitely Kamsa is also waiting. And Kamsa had serious nightmares previous night. You know that. Premonition of his death. He could see all people, or what all he saw. He saw that he's riding on donkeys. He saw that he's looking at the mirror, but his body is there, but face is not there. He saw some people are massaging his body with oils and preparing for some ceremony. He saw all inauspicious things in the night, and he was like that. He was having horror dreams. Premonition, we call it. That was another proof that we are not the body. Many people have correct premonition. Something is bad is about to happen. You feel that, and it happens. True? So many people get premonition. That also proves you are not the body. So now, so he gets so many premonitions, and then actually he is so scared. Like that. So anyway, that's a separate issue. So at this moment, Vasudeva feels, let me protect Krishna. Definitely for the eighth child, he will come ready to kill him. He has been killing all my children because Narada confused him. So he will come to attack. And what he does, Vasudeva says, I want to protect you. Induced by Yogamaya, he decides to break his promise with the eagerness to, because love of Krishna is invoked in his heart and he wants to protect him, his child. So many moods, and he runs. And then we discussed last time, when he was doing that, the Yamuna stole the child from his hand. And he went mad. He could not locate the child. He was searching, so he almost went mad. And Krishna was enjoying that sweetness. He was enjoying the love. He loves you so much. And then your mother, Yamuna gave it back in his hand. I said, what is this? I just wanted to play with him a little. She was also waiting for Krishna to descend. And this is the first time she is going to touch Krishna. And later, Krishna's pastime in Vrindavan, he will be playing in the Yamuna. So Yamuna is actually a great devotee. It's just like Ganga. It's a great devotee. So she wants, in fact, Yamuna is even more fortunate because of Krishna personally played in her. Ganga, though, he just touched the feet. Yamuna, he played in it. So in that sense, Yamuna is even more powerful. But as Kali Yuga, all the rivers are getting destroyed. So Vasudeva was such intense love, so Krishna reciprocated. He agreed to come under protection of his devotee. This is a special, Prabhupada, this is beauty of Krishna. When Mother Yashoda is about raises a stick, and Queen Kunti is raising the stick, and Krishna is crying, at that moment, Prabhupada says, this is beauty of Krishna. Queen Kunti prays. There are 6 opulences of Krishna. This is beauty. It puts in the beauty because, beautiful face. He's, neck is shaking, tears are rolling, and Prabhupada, the devotee, is meditating. This is beauty of Krishna. It's so beautiful in this pastime. It attracts the attention of all the devotees. So Krishna's pastimes are actually very, very relishable.